I am here today to show you guys a really quick tutorial that's super easy to do. I have been making more and more die cuts and I love them. I love putting them in pictures. I think they're so cute, adding them to dashboards and whatnot. But because I have so many, I wanted to find a place to store them because I don't always put them all on dashboards, but I still want to keep them in my planner so I can have access to them. So because I do not have a cover on this, I have just the normal cover that the planner came with. I don't have the deluxe cover. I had one, but it was black and really hard to take pictures of, so I didn't want to use it anymore. So I wanted to add a pocket. So I did this sometime last week, I guess. I watched somebody else do it on YouTube, and I will try to find the video so I can link it down below in the description. But she used a different kind of glue. I can't remember, some kind of craft glue. But the way I figured how I wanted to do it is I just used a tape runner, just double-sided tape. So let me show you really quick because it's so easy to do. It was super simple to just stick on the cover, but I have so many die cuts in this pocket, I didn't want to add all my new ones to the same pocket. So I'm going to put another one on August, just on the divider here. So what you need to get started, all you need is a paper trimmer. So this is my 12-inch paper trimmer that I got from, I can't remember if I got it off Amazon or Michael's, but I'll link it. This is a piece of scrapbook paper that I just had laying around. I have found that the thinner scrapbook paper works a lot better than cardstock. So if you have something colorful just laying around that you used to use for scrapbooking like me, use that. And then you need your tape. Now I got this off of Amazon, but I have to be honest, it is not my favorite kind of tape. It gets stuck often, it gets really hard to use. So there is a different brand. I want to say it's Craft tape. That I buy it, I think you can get it at Walmart, Target, Michael's, but I will link that below as well because I like it much better. And the next time I go buy tape, that is what I'm going to buy. So first I want to measure how big I want it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I just do a rough estimate, really. This one I'm going to make 4 inches wide. And then, wow, that's only 4 inches. Maybe, I don't think I did that right. Did I? Yeah, okay. Then never mind. I take it back. I'm gonna do 5 inches because I feel like that's too skinny. Okay. Then I want to figure out how deep I want it to be. I think 7 inches. I'll do 7.5 just in case I measured wrong. So 5 by 7.5. And what I want to do is I want to leave a little lip back here at the top because it makes it easier to just slide them in rather than it being the same length. Okay. just fold it in half like that. And you can really make it whatever size you want. You don't have to do it this large, which I might actually make it shorter, 7 inches, so 5 by 7. Got cocoa stuff on my brain because my daughter's watching it right now. Okay, now right here on these two edges, you're gonna put tape or glue or whatever it is you want to use. If you're using glue, try to make it as thin a line as possible. I'm just trying to keep the tape runner on the actual paper. I got some on the divider, but it doesn't matter because it's gonna stick anyway. First I'm gonna fold this so it makes a pocket. All right, see? Pocket, perfect. Now you're gonna put glue or tape around all 4 edges. And just stick it down. I don't know if that's even, darn it. I think I made it crooked. Oh well. It does not really matter. It's gonna bug me, but I'll try to forget. And then I can just slide my die cuts right in there. Dun, 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 dun. This one's my favorite right now. I can't be the only inked mom in the planner community. Come on. Woo. And I like to have them stick out just a little, so that's perfect. Woo-hoo! So let me know in the comments what you think. If you decide to put a pocket in your planner, I would love to see. Go ahead and join the Facebook group Crafty Planners and post your pictures. I would love to see how beautiful your pockets turn out. All right, see y'all next time.